Thank you for joining me on this series of How to Transcend Suffering. So, we often blame others for all that is happening to us, and we do that from our early childhood. And I was no exception. So, in my early childhood, I blame my parents, my school teachers, my friends for all that I was going through, whether it was feeling of any kind of hurt, pain, feeling isolated, abandoned, or anything. And I didn't stop at that. So then, as I grew, I blamed my professors, I blamed work colleagues, sometimes even my boss or my husband for whatever bit I was suffering. Until I was blaming them, I felt helpless and I totally felt like a victim. And only when I realized, much later in life, that I was suffering because of me, because somewhere I had taken the position of a sufferer. And it's actually then very simple to understand that when I take the position of a sufferer, others have no choice actually but to make me suffer. So, somewhere it was an inner realization that because of taking that position, I kept suffering for a very long time. And just like me, I see so many of you suffer due to maybe rejection, feeling abandoned, feeling lonely, or going through feelings of disrespect, unfairness, feeling of being abused, feeling of being trapped, and the list is absolutely endless. So, I am going to tell you in my subsequent videos of how to stop this suffering, and it is very much possible. So, stay tuned and see you next time.